Hi, I'm Paula Doyle, and I'm going to be showing you how I make my no-bias stained glass work. I usually start out with a nice plain drawing. This is just a drawing of a sunflower, something with nice biggish pieces in it. And what I do from then is instead of having a solid line, I trace it again, but with a dotted line like this one. So that's what that would look like right there. But if I wanted to, I could go with a little bit more contrast. And there's that piece of batik. But when I was previewing this earlier, I felt that this probably needed a bit of sky in it. So I've got this nice piece of linen texture fabric. And I think that's going to make a nice block.